Tech TV. Experience educational television.
GRASAG KNUST holds postgraduate capacity building workshop. The Graduate Students Association of Ghana, GRASAG, Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology, KNUST, has organized a postgraduate capacity building workshop aimed at empowering graduate students to excel in their academic journey. The workshop took place on January 20, 2026 at the Great Hall, KNUST, and brought together postgraduate students from various disciplines across the university. The initiative was designed to equip graduate students with the requisite skills and tools needed to successfully navigate the demands of postgraduate education. Facilitators at the workshop focused on the development of essential soft skills, including communication, leadership, time management, teamwork, and professional ethics. Participants were taken through practical sessions and interactive discussions intended to prepare them for both academic and professional challenges beyond the classroom. The KNUST-TEK TV news team was present at the event and engaged some of the facilitators and students in interviews after the program. They shared their views on the relevance of the workshop and highlighted how the knowledge gained would positively impact the postgraduate studies and future careers. The workshop forms part of GRASAG KNUST's commitment to enhancing the overall academic and personal development of graduate students at the university.
My name is Dr. Mrs. Yasanto Osei, a senior lecturer at the Department of Pharmaceutics.
My name is Mohammed Mutochilu. I'm a professor in the Department of Clinical Microbiology, School of Medical Sciences.
My name is Richard Bruce Lamte. I'm the university librarian.
My name is Ekia Ebuanyako. I'm an MPhil in nursing student.
So my name is Bradley Creek and I'm at Lagos.
Once again for the postgraduate capacity building workshop. And usually these workshops seek to equip our students with tools that will help them navigate their postgraduate education.
Well, I came to do a presentation here on how library can support postgraduate education. And I believe it's very critical. This area is as useful as anything. Many students come through the university and unfortunately, they can go around their work without going through the library or using the library resources.
I was here today for the orientation and I must say it has been an insightful one. The session has taught me a lot of things that I didn't know as a fresher, and I'm sure that these are going to guide me on my journey in my MPhil program. And I look forward to an exciting episode with my education, and I'm sure that the information that I've gotten today is going to guide me through my studies, through my journey, and I know that it is going to make me successful.
We had a very eventful time. We were able to speak with our facilitators, gave us a lot of insight into our research work, into how to apply for grants and all that. So I think being a postgraduate student, actually a PhD student, these skills would help us in navigating our educational journey in KNUST.
I believe that the journey will not be smooth, but what I am certain is that if you have your soft skill, if you have your hard skills, when you combine them, as for the end of the journey, you will see. Thank you very much.
Tech TV. Experience educational television.